Welcome to Titan's Maxum Elite Gun Maintenance video series. Here, you'll learn how to change the gun needle, nozzle, and air cap. You'll want to perform this procedure when you know a different size is needed, or you notice the following from your gun: splattering, spitting material, not fully atomizing, or material being applied too thick or too thin. To begin this procedure, start by rotating the tabs at the top of the trigger. Now push the latch release at the top and hold it. Next, rotate the gun handle counterclockwise to separate it from the gun head assembly. Using a 10mm wrench or a pair of pliers, loosen the packing seal nut and then remove the gun needle from the back of the gun head assembly. Next, remove the front retainer ring, air cap, and spring plate assembly. Finally, using the supplied T-wrench, remove the nozzle. Remember to check and ensure you have matching sizes for the nozzle, air cap, and needle that you will be installing. Each part has a number engraved on it. Now install your nozzle and tighten with the supplied T-wrench. Then, install your spring plate assembly, making sure to align the plate tabs with the gun head. Install your air cap and retainer ring. Thread the ring down only until the nozzle is flush with the air cap edge, and align the arrow on the ring with the arrow on the gun's head. Next, lube the needle and install it through the packing nut and seal into the gun head. Now slide the needle through the packing nut and seal back and forth 3/4 of the way 5 times to seat the seal. Over-tightening the seal will cause the needle to stick, so pay close attention to this next step. Lightly tighten your packing nut by hand. Now, with the gun handle assembly upside down, place it onto the gun head assembly and rotate clockwise until the top retainer latches back into place. Lastly, move the gun trigger down and back into spraying position. If you experience any leaks from the needle while spraying, use a wrench to tighten the packing nut 1/4 turn at a time and retest, watching for leaks. Continue as needed until the needle is sealed. This will prevent over-tightening the seal. Thank you for watching this maintenance video for the Titan Maxum Elite gun. If you have any questions, please refer to your user manual or contact Titan's technical service team.